So we got lemon, turmeric, orange, and pineapple. And I'm gonna put a piece of a ginger in it. All right, guys. Yeah. So NAV oil. Big up yourself. Good morning. Thank you so much for coming on the show. You need to come over to my YouTube channel and join the YouTube channel, and get active over there on the YouTube channel. Let's get myself a gloves. All right, we need our gloves. All right, it is a fever time, but still have to carry on the work. You know it thing go. All right, I will for sure. Yeah, man, come over NAV, man. Come over and support me and follow me on Instagram, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Cause you know your thing already. All right, lovely, beautiful people. So let's put this one side, man. We're not gonna do no more talking now. It's action time. We have the blender ready. Okay, we're gonna be using the naughty blender as usual. All right, and get the knife. And then the first thing we're going to be doing, I did this video yesterday now. We're going to get pineapple. But it is a very good drink for you guys to make at home. Alright. So, I just wanted to make you know very clearly, like, this is a very good drink for you guys to make at home. Alright, so right there we got most of the ingredients ready. The most important part. And I'm gonna put a piece of a ginger. Alright, straight inside of it like this. That's the ginger. Alright, guys, so we got pineapple and ginger. Good vibes. What are the first? I might just get the squeezer and squeeze out the lemon. Okay, we're gonna use a squeezer. Yes. It is nice to use a squeezer and squeeze out the lemon like this, catching out the seeds. Lovely, you see that? And that's what I like. So everything active. Can we use pineapple skin? Oh no, you're gone too far now. You're gone too far. No man, can't use pineapple skin. Pineapple skin, we use that for making tea or make sauce. Can't use the pineapple skin, I'm so sorry. Alright. Yeah, man. Let's get the orange peel. I just put some information in the description box so you can look at the information what this drink can do to the body. All right, just looking at the description box and you can see what this drink can do for the body, you know what I mean? Yeah. All right, now sorry about that, because the orange, it got a little bit of seeds in it, so I'm trying to avoid the seeds, you know what I mean? Yeah. So let me see if I can take out them seeds. Alright. Yeah. That's alright still. Lovely. So I'm using one medium-sized orange inside of it. Alright. Now, as you can see, while going right there, that looking delicious. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, you make these every day. You know the reason why I make them every day? Because every day we have somebody new coming on the channel. So we have to make them know go on. And we have to welcome them with a healthy drink and something to make them happy. Alright? And this drink is very good for inflammation, arthritis, pain, headache. You know what I mean? Sore throat. You know, there's a lot of things good for your skin. So, alright. So we're going to put some turmeric inside of it now. And this is the turmeric I'm going to use. Alright. Nice piece of turmeric inside of it. I did this drink yesterday and it was amazing. Alright, now we're going to put some water into it, and we're not going to use too much water neither. Roughly about 1/2 cups of water. Let's make some noise and wake up the neighbors them. They sleep too much, man. Alright. Yeah. This is what's going on right now. Before we go any further, let's crack a little bit of black pepper in it. Not too much, you know. Just to activate up the turmeric. Alright guys, good vibes. Yeah, then cover it up like this. You see that? Let's blend. Alright, we're gonna blend it up now. Beautiful one. Now let's remove it and see exactly what's going on. All right, keep my audience active. Now you might have seen I made this one yesterday and I am making it today again, so if I show you exactly what I go on a normal thing in the kitchen. You don't need to strain it, but if you want, you can strain it, guys. All right, but I didn't strain it. I just drink it natural like that. All right, yeah, man. So as you can see, that is proper drink where you guys can make at home. So let's try it and see what I go on. That is perfect, guys. Perfect. That is perfect. Yeah, man. Papa, indeed. Oh. Yeah. This is beautiful. Excellent. You know what? I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. I need your blood pressure. Well, if you need to sort out your blood pressure, then I'm gonna tell you, yes, correct, delicious, man. You know, 100%.